Hey, good morning, folks. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Pretty icy situation across lower Michigan this morning. Now, it varies quite a bit. And the big difference is, did you have a half inch of sleet overnight? Looks like from about the Oakland-Genesee County line, let's call it, if you could take a line from just south of Flint, Grand Blanc, for those of you who know the east side of the state, over to about north of Grand Rapids. That's where the dividing line is between sleet and freezing rain in the north. A little bit better conditions because kind of a granular nature to the icy precipitation. And then south of that line, more pure freezing rain, and things are very slick. And it still continues this morning. The snow will be, I guess I should say the freezing rain will be winding down. And then the second part of the storm is on the way. So let's get to it and show you what's going on here. Here's a look at the current radar. And you can see generally not a big coverage in precipitation now, but there's another area of freezing rain developing, and this is going to roll right along I-69 and I-96, and this should be pure freezing rain as temperatures are still cold enough for freezing rain. Good morning, Rob Robinson. So here is the wider perspective, the heavier precipitation moving east in Indiana. So we've had the bulk of it, but again, this is enough freezing rain to add maybe another tenth of an inch of ice. Oh, sorry, spell check freezing. Yes, okay. Missed that one. All right, so we've got the winter weather advisory in effect for lower Michigan today. Now, winter storm watches posted for the upper peninsula, western part, for the next storm system. The next storm system is going to take a track of the center of the low up toward Traverse City. That pulls warm air our way, and it keeps the heavy snow back in the western part of the state. Adrian, yes, you are going to get more freezing rain here in the next few hours as that next batch of rain comes through. Janice saying Kalamazoo missed it, and greetings to David Steffes from Ann Arbor. Okay, so here we go. Here's this afternoon. This is 1 o'clock, and this is 4 o'clock. And so we do see the precipitation come to an end early this afternoon. Now, we're going into tomorrow morning. And now, tomorrow morning, southern Michigan should be warm enough for rain. Northern Michigan will get the burst of freezing rain tomorrow, and it probably won't be quite as bad because it'll be shifting northward as the warm air comes in. Where's there freezing rain right now? Pretty much southern half of lower Michigan, scattered about. It's not a solid kind of thing. Hey, good morning, Mount Morris and Jimmy Reeves Sr. What will tomorrow morning look like in the Tri-Cities? I would call it wet tomorrow morning. Now, this is tomorrow evening, and you can see the rain has shifted all the way up to the Mackinac Bridge. Snow falling in the UP where it will be heavy. And then as we go into Thursday night, colder air comes in, changes over to snow showers, and then we get some lake effect snow showers on Friday, and things quiet down for the weekend. So there's a whole lot going on here. Let's take a look at some temperatures. Let's take a look at this afternoon. And you're looking at, I'm basically saying Grand Rapids to Flint southward will make it above freezing this afternoon. 33, 34, 35 degrees, even 36, 37. So things should improve. If you can wait to travel, that would be your best idea, I would say, today because of warming temperatures. Now, Saginaw northward, you stay at freezing or below, which means the sidewalks may not melt off, but any salt on the roads will certainly help with the temperature of 32. Let's go into tomorrow and show you what's going to happen. This is midday tomorrow. Here come the 40-degree temperatures, and we go into the evening hours. Here come the 50-degree temperatures. Here comes the 40s, even the mid-30s up to the north. So that's why you can see the lower peninsula should improve in the very late afternoon and evening hours. And then we quickly go the other way so that by Friday morning, we are down in the 20s, down in the teens, down in the single digits, below zero temperatures off to the west. Okay, now Jocelyn wants to know what gives us freezing rain and sleet instead of snow. That temperature profile in the atmosphere. So freezing rain is it's warm aloft, the precipitation falls, it melts, it's a raindrop, but it's cold at the surface, it freezes on the surface. Sleet, there's a larger layer at the surface that's below freezing, so it melts aloft, it's warmer aloft, it's rain, it comes through a 1,000-foot layer, it freezes to an ice pellet, and it hits that sleet. And then, of course, snow it's cold enough aloft to be snow, and it could still even be above freezing at the ground for it to be snow, but not long enough for the snow to melt. Roads. Catherine wants to know about the roads. The reports that I've had are the farther south you go, the worse the roads are right now. North, there's a sleet, freezing rain mixture that's kind of granular. And then as you go farther south toward the Michigan-Indiana border in Ohio, temperatures are near freezing and salt is working good. So it is definitely the way we expected. It's definitely slick. I would say the worst zone is about the southern third of the state, say from the Genesee Oakland County line southward through the Detroit area, through Ann Arbor, through Jackson. Okay, so I know I had a typo this morning. Hey, I've been up since about 5 o'clock this morning. So be careful this morning, folks. If you have to travel, wait until afternoon. Things should improve somewhat, especially along the I-94 corridor. And then hold on, another round of storminess on the way for tomorrow. Generally, in the southern half of lower, it's all rain, changing over to some snow showers, maybe an inch or so Thursday night or Friday. Ooh, Cheryl Pell sounds like she got out of this. She's now a Floridian, she says, as of this weekend. Okay, well, talk to us in July and August and let us know if that's good. I can appreciate your thing for winter and escaping it, but I don't know if I could handle those summers. All right, there you go. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. We will keep you updated on MLive, and do me a favor, share everything I write if you could, and it spreads the word about our weather coverage here on MLive. And my buddy Gary Linkowski, an old fellow co-worker at WNAM TV5. Good morning, Gary.